Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Listening Stories. And joining me today is my good friend Mia. Hi, Mia.
Hi, Leo. Hi, everyone. I'm Mia.
Imagine this. You're walking in a new city. You look around and think, where am I? You have a map, but it looks like a puzzle. You see people walking fast, cars passing by, and suddenly you realize you're lost. Don't panic. Today we'll help you. We'll show you how to ask for directions in English, clearly and politely. So next time you get lost, you'll know exactly what to say. Today, we're talking about something every traveler needs: directions.
And yes, I love exploring new places, but honestly, I get lost all the time.
Same here. Even with Google Maps, I still take the wrong turn sometimes.
Don't worry, Leo. That's why we're here, to help everyone learn easy and natural English for asking and giving directions.
Exactly. We'll share simple phrases, real examples, and some fun stories too. Ready, Mia?
Ready? Let's go, hopefully in the right direction.
So, imagine this. I'm in a big city, let's say New York. I'm looking for the train station. I stop a stranger and say, "Excuse me, can you help me, please?"
Good start. Always begin with "excuse me." It's polite and friendly.
Right. Then I say, "Can you tell me how to get to the train station?"
Perfect. You can also say, "Where is the train station?" Both are simple and natural.
The person smiles and says, "Sure, go straight, then turn left. It's next to the coffee shop."
Easy, right? Go straight, turn left, turn right. Those are the most common directions in English.
And if you're not sure, you can ask again. "Sorry, could you say that again, please?"
Yes, that's a great phrase. Always better to ask twice than get lost twice. Let's practice another one. Imagine you're hungry and want food. You can ask, "Excuse me, is there a restaurant near here?"
That's perfect. Or, "Where can I find a good place to eat?"
Maybe the person says, "Yes, there's a pizza place around the corner."
And if you're not sure what "around the corner" means, it means very close. Just turn the corner and you'll see it.
Exactly. You can also ask about other places like, "Where is the nearest ATM? Where is the post office? How far is the museum?"
Those are all useful for travelers. And don't forget to say thank you after getting help.
Yes, always. You can say, "Thank you so much," or "Thanks for your help."
Now, let's switch roles. Mia, I'll ask you for directions. "Excuse me, how do I get to the bus station?"
Oh, easy. Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn right. The bus station is on your left, across from the park.
Nice. Across from means it's opposite the park, right?
Yes, and 2 blocks means walk past 2 streets.
I love it. Short, clear, and easy.
And remember, use your hands when giving directions. Pointing left or right really helps.
Okay, time for some quick English review. Here are the most common and useful phrases for asking and giving directions. "Excuse me, can you help me?" Polite way to start. "Where is the bank, station, park?" Simple and direct. "Go straight." Walk forward. "Turn left." Turn right. Change direction. It's near, next to, across from, to describe location. "Could you say that again, please?" When you don't understand. Thank you so much. Always be polite.
These phrases are short but super useful. You can use them anywhere, in a new city, airport, or even your own neighborhood.
Now it's your turn. Let's practice together.
Repeat after us. Excuse me, where is the bus stop?
Go straight and turn left.
Thank you very much.
Easy, right? Now think. What's one place people often ask you about?
Maybe a restaurant, a store, or the nearest bathroom.
Yes. Try to say 2 sentences in English giving directions. For example,
Go straight and turn right. The cafe is next to the bank.
perfect. Practice it out loud, even by yourself. Speaking helps you remember.
So today, we learned how to ask and give directions in English.
And we learned it's okay to get lost sometimes. It's part of the adventure.
That's right. Just remember these 3 steps. Be polite, say, excuse me. Ask clearly, use short questions. And listen carefully and say, thank you. And maybe smile. It helps more than any map.
Thank you for joining us today on Daily English Listening Stories.
If you liked this episode, please like, share, and subscribe for more real English practice.
Until next time, stay curious, keep learning, and don't worry if you take the wrong turn.
You'll always find your way with English.
See you next time. Bye for now.
See you next time. Bye for now.